All right, here today to fix the SC. Oh, well, it is fixed now.
It's fixed now.
And what was the issue with it? I wasn't here
We
for it.
smoke tested it, and there was a vacuum line with a hole in it that led to the EGR, which is like a pretty obvious thing, but it was like in a not obvious spot.
Kind of tucked away.
It was underneath. It was underneath the starter almost.
Yeah.
Above the starter or underneath the starter. But in that spot. And now it's fine. And then next time it fucks up, I'm just gonna crush the EGR pipe and then that'll fix itself too.
So that's not why we're here. The car runs fine now. Today, we've got a bunch of fun parts. Some more stiff diff bushings, sweet pulley kit, cool radiator cap. Wasn't there one more thing?
Yeah, there was just,
Oh, yeah, no. Where is that?
I kept it inside because we're not doing it today.
Oh, ready magnetic drain plug.
But we're not draining oil today.
Yeah, we're not doing that today. It doesn't need an oil change yet. So while Cooper does the whole dance to get this thing on the 2-post, I'm going to get started on the pulley kit. So I'm going to be pulling the serpentine belt off, pulling off the power steering pump pulley. We're probably going to have to pull the whole alternator off to be able to get a puller on the pulley to pull it off. A lot of pulls. What is the other one you got? Oh, the water pump, but
VVTi.
yeah, you have a non-VVTi, so you have a clutch fan. The pulley's slightly different, so we just have an extra pulley. It's not in here anyways.
Almost up.
So we got the power steering pump pulley. It's on, it's not tight yet. We're gonna be pulling the alternator now so we can pull the pulley off. Ew.
Ah.
Nice. So there was like 3-4 minutes of the last video that just got cut off at the end. So I don't know if we really showed the new taillights on this. These are from the 95.
Yeah,
right?
so it's the same generation. They're just tinted.
They're just smoked black. Really makes the gold badges pop. I also now really love your tan interior because it really goes with the gold badges.
Yeah.
Too bad this thing's a little too low
What?
to fit on this. This is how we have to swing the 2-post arms under the car. We've already got one side done. And you can see the wheel's already almost off the ground. It's just sitting on here. What it takes to be cool. What are we doing now?
Last alternator bolt, but we still gotta disconnect it up top. I forgot to do that. And then we're gonna pull the pulley off this and clean it because this thing's covered in oil.
You have all the seals to do this, right?
Yeah.
We just gotta do it at some point. We just got it fucking fixed. We don't want to bring it down again. What are you putting this thing on, dude? Like right here?
Next week, dude.
Oh, dude.
It was just sitting on the pipe. I didn't want that.
Hey. Finesse.
Oh, this is gonna be. This is a fucking.
Oh!
Oh, fuck. This is a game.
Wire sparking and shit? Oh, fuck.
You think we just shorted out my whole car or what?
No. Flat battle scars.
Opened up an old wound on that one. That was from yesterday.
Yeah, I got fucking. I got fucked up doing my speakers the other day.
Little Slim Jim bag of some diff parts
Beef jerky.
for this car.
But it fits this car. Oh, they're purple.
Yeah, some purple gummy worm.
Worst flavor.
Okay, now we just follow the instructions. Okay. That we use the original piece for that. That's the only original piece we're gonna use. Cool. Now we'll get it loose.
Diff is drooped, get the top parts out. You can try and get the next part.
We'll see if we can thread it through there. If it's in position. Yeah, I think. See? Yeah. You're good, dude.
I gotta pump it up.
They got a picture to tell us everything. Here.
That's it?
You go in there.
Ah,
Kind of smart.
let's see what this is now. It's not new bushings, it's just to stiffen the
that's why I
stock
got it,
bushing.
because I think it was cool.
I can't fucking get it, bro. I think we might need to pump it up a little bit more.
Okay.
We're in.
Torque to spec.
Click.
Cool.
I thought they were full bushings, but it's just to
Nah.
make your stock bushings a little bit stiffer. They're just reinforcements. So you don't have to press your stock bushings out.
Yeah, I was not trying to do that right now. So now this thing should be pretty fun with this stiffer bushing from excessive for my, fucking around. And these stiffer bushings between that and the transmission, that should be pretty fun. And I'm just keep looking at like stuff like that, like kind of medium level stiffer bushing stuff, not like fucking gonna rattle your teeth out. And I think that's the move with this. Also, I'm, pretty much whole straight pipe type deal, minus this stock middle portion that I got welded up to aftermarket. But like, you can't beat that clearance. That is like perfectly level with that. That's why I still have this kind of, I can't find like a good replacement piece. Save the best for last. Easy radiator cap. Change it out with the Litz radiator cap. Simple, final, last piece of the puzzle. Boom. Now we got red 4-speed, red Blitz, red timing cover, red horns, red Arrowwolf, and the shifter and handbrake. Little subtle hints. All finished. Quick, easy mods. Driftmotion. That's where I got them. Find a better way to do this at some point.
This is just standard procedure.
Yeah.
I'm in. We still gotta put the screws in so they stay when the doors are open. gears again.
There's like a gear engagement. It has to be the clutch master's going bad or something. It's died. It died.
Is the alternator not connected all the way?
Should be. Shouldn't have died that fast either way.
Now it starts out first try.
What would have done that, dude?
Could it be because we just disconnected the alternator? Is it inside spinning on the alternator? So, kind of hard to tell. Battery light on? Don't look like it. Try it again. Weird. Not going far.
It's so bad.
It feels righteous.
Something feels.
We can't fucking skid here because I did once and got pulled over.
The clutch kick worked, but it didn't get around as much as I want because I got off the gas.
Yeah.
I need to stay on the gas, guys. This car's got fucking 200 horsepower. God damn it, I forgot.
Good way to end it. Damn, Gentry's car is dirty, but bro.
That was a strange problem.
Yeah, what the fuck? Let's let it go for a bit to see if it happens again. Try revving it real quick. It was like right after I revved it a little bit, it died. I had the clutch in and it was not even in gear when it died for me.
Now, when I first got in this car today, the lights look dim to me, but I don't know if it's just because it's so bright with the sun coming in or if the lights are dim.
Your battery light's not on.
Yeah, the battery light's not on.
Or the bulb for that could be dead.
But I mean, my alternator has died before, and I don't think that light has been on. But it's idling fine.
Yeah, it's running fine
right now. Now, the thing is, since I'm the one that manual swapped my car, Tyson and me might have also just been riding on the clutch in reverse, and it just revved it so much that it wasn't fully disconnected from the clutch, and it just dropped enough RPMs that it died. Because I think you were riding the clutch and I was riding the clutch.
I was riding the clutch.
I was riding the clutch when it died as well, and I think it just means that I need to do some more work on my master cylinder and shit like that.
Okay.